Ito yung right foot, sasabay ka pag inangat. So yung right tanong kung sasakay ka, halika-halika.
Kaya ba? Kaya? Kaya ba?
Yes, I like the metal money, so that's a metal Glock, yeah. Damn girl, I want it rough.
Wait lang mo sa set.
Umakyat ka sa taas.
Video mamaya. Ayoko! Dito ka na mag-shower sa girls na. Oh, mag-shower. Sige, no! Sige na! Sige na! Sige pa!
Ayoko na!
Ay, naku! Huwag ka na maligo. Okay, let's go na. Patay mo.
Parang,
O, saan mo lalagay yung tsinelas mo? Doon. Ang cute na ngiti. Ala! Ano? Hindi ako mascot. Oh, sus! Ikaw na tulog, ha? Ay! Ikaw na tulog, ha? Okay. Open. Push.
Hindi na kami kalaba.
meron.
Dali.
Ng tadhana ay dinadala ako sa init ng bisig mo. Ba't di pa sabihin ang hindi mo maamin? Ipauubayan na lang ba to sa hangin? Huwag mong ikatakot ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Naririto ako, nakikinig sa'yo.
Held her close to me, 'cause I know she
Kama ko ano?
prays and
Fred, ayun. Paso na Mengel. Ayun.
try to console her. She just do the best she could, but there were times the best is nothing good, and no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Kay Luisa Palma.
I lied and told her she'd be fine, though we both knew it was just a lie. I had to do it, 'cause I'd said anything to help me get you in. Then you reach up for my hand, and a simple touch was more than I could stand, and I had to turn away. Till the end.
Mamagaya kayo step pa.
Bakit? Saan?
Doon. Kinapitan si Ali.
But
Pati
just
step na dula.
Nakakapit sa
don't make the sad, and I guess she understands. When it falls apart, well, there's just no easy way.
Akita ko may nakaangat. Hello,
Gumagang ka si Ali.
Magpalsi ako ng ang baba na. And I don't belong that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to. Who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, and I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. You are the one who makes me happy when everything turns to gray. You're is the voice the morning and sends me out to the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the nonsense that I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone be more to me than you?
Maganda nga si Ali.
Hello, mic test. Ayaw na ng Aerox? Two old friends met again, wearing all the
Hoy, ito, Alia.
faces and talk about the places
Sa pa, nyi. 1, 2, 3, nyi.
And somewhere long ago, how they hate to know. So they didn't make it and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love and that's fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
Tinamaan niya si Kuya Ian.
She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love wanting.
Every day you wake up, oh, there's a man without a love. Every day you start out, then I grab my heart.
Ay, natangilin ka na yun. Naligo, nakatulog agad. Asan yung electric fan ko? Naka-charge. Okay. Hello! Sarap tulog Sarap tulog
Kasama ng parokya para bulagan ang kailangan di mabokya. Di mo na kailangan na malaman doon bakla. Kami lahat ay nagsama-sama. 5 check, ito na nagsad na ang pen. Rest mo galo naglapin ng parokya. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's vote in.
Si Chico,
Si Kiko, si Francis Magallona, nandito na si Clark na.
Wala siyang apelido. Magbabagsakan dito, kailangan na mag-ingat at
Nakahuli magsaka, si Daddy ang babala.
Bato-bato sa langit. May salita ng tulad na hindi ko papilang. Pero pwede kailangan naman ang paligtahiga. Ang pag-ginawa ko na pito na parang nabubuhay. Eh, hindi naman siguro. Ganyan lang pag nabibilis sa ating mo naisip na pwede mangyari. Magkasama-sama lahat ay kasay. Beg, di na tumalig sama-sama sa magsaka na nag-iis na bibig. Mag-ingat-ingat lang at pagkamasinda sapagkat nandito na si Tito at si Kiko at si Clark. Sabay-sabay! Al Pedro Basuraman, I live in the garbage can. I went through my auntie and punit her panty. Al Pedro Basuraman.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ang wish ko, sana lumaki natin.
Blow the candle! One, wish! Yay!
Ay, kasama pala ako dito.
Your eyes barely.
Mga kaibigan!
Zumba! Lower! Lower! Sabay-sabay! Awitin mo! Hey! Hey! Awitin mo! Isasayaw mo! Kiling pababa! Zumba ka! Malaglag.
Wait! Oh, sige.
Di ba waterproof yan?
Waterproof ito ba?
It's your special day, so let's rejoice with laughter, love, and a joyful